Good morning. This is Robert Kaars Sijpesteijn bringing you this morning's market update. Looking to the US, Donald Trump, the former star of The Apprentice, became the official Republican presidential candidate yesterday evening after winning a majority of the votes from delegates at the party's convention in Cleveland, passing the 1,237 majority he required. In US, market indices had a mixed day with both the US 500 and US tech dropping points as Netflix lost 13.1% after disappointing figures showed a slowing increase in new users. The former lost 3 points to close on 2,163 and the latter dropped 5 points to close on 4,612. Meanwhile, the Wall Street gained value, adding 7 points to close on 18,550. Looking to commodities, gold added $4 to close on $1,333.10, while Brent Crude dropped 33 cents to close on $46.70 a barrel. Given the constant fall in oil prices, Van Beurden is betting on gas projects such as Curtis Island to address the central challenge facing all oil giants: how to survive in a world moving ever faster toward new ways of producing and consuming energy. A crucial element of Shell's pivot towards gas was its $54 billion takeover of BG Group. The deal, which closed in February, gave the company Curtis Island, other massive LNG plants, and gas fields from the US to Kazakhstan. It now has a 20% share of the global LNG market, scores of giant gas tankers prowling the seas, and double the production capacity of its closest competitor, ExxonMobil. This is just the start of reinvestment for some of the largest energy providers as they begin to look into renewable energy, among others, as an alternative source of investment as the world goes forward to battle climate change. In Europe, the Germany 30 dropped value, losing 83 points to close on 10,058.3, while the UK 100 added 37 points to close on 6,695.8. In today's corporate news, TalkTalk's revenue was down 0.4% in the 3 months to the 30th of June, despite turnover from corporate and data being up 7.5% and 38.5% respectively. Revolution Bars today reported a 6.9% growth in total sales to £119.5 million in the year to the 30th of June, it said in a pre-close trading update. Airline company Wizz Air has reported 10% jump in revenues to €364.9 million in the 3 months to the 30th of June. It said its profit before income tax was up 52% to €52.3 million. Johnson Matthey reported group sales for continuing business were up 6% to £822 million in the quarter to the 30th of June, and Man Group Chief Executive Manny Roman is to take charge of PIMCO on the 1st of November. He will be replaced at Man Group by current President Luke Ellis. Today's economic data in focus: at 9 o'clock in Europe, current account was released by the ECB. At 9:30 in the UK, average earnings and unemployment figures for May were released. And at 3 o'clock in Europe, consumer confidence figures will be published. That's all for this morning's market update. Thank you and goodbye.